Good day everyone. So here's a beautiful, nicely set up a Honda Civic 2018-19 model, fully set up. All your steering wheel buttons are operating as per normal, and your side camera with a signal, that's the side camera, and reversing camera operating as per normal. So all your 3-mode option view is still available and it still operates as per normal. So as all your climate controls, so the climate controls are still active. We can just adjust it from here, from the screen. Choose on climate controls, are you can just go up. Climate, yeah. On. Change the mode, and so all your climate control is compatible and displaying in unit and controls it. And all your amplifier and sound system is operating. And of course you've got your wireless CarPlay, you've got wireless Android Auto, you've got your digital radio, the DAB. No signal, obviously. We've got a scanner because it's the first time we just installed, and the pickup button, hang up button, volume, track, next, previous, all that is operating as per normal. So is the reversing camera and so on. Any question, feel free to just give us a message or a phone call. We'll be happy to just guide you through to your make and model of your vehicle. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.